Hi, this is Jessica Fox, and I want to share with you a tool that we've invested in that's going to save you a lot of time and money. So it is scottleroymarketing.com. So if you type in scottleroymarketing.com, you will be brought to this website. Our login is the same login for everyone in the office. It's our Market Center number, which is 138. So you hit login. Now, under KW Resources, they have lots of live training, webinars that you can participate in, or recorded trainings. But what I want to share with you today is under support. So let's just say I'm going to host an open house of yours, and I'm asking that you go into the MLS and make it known on the MLS. You can also go here and click on KWLS Open House. Simply put in your name, your MyKW login information, and the specifics of the open house. And Scott Leroy Marketing will go in and actually change that so it reflects on all the major portals that it is available for an open house. It'll drive a lot more traffic to your open house. So I highly recommend that moving forward, if you're going to host an open house, change it in the MLS, KWLS, post it on openhouse.com. And if you're not doing it for yourself, do it for the agent that is hosting for you. It'll make their traffic go way up. The other thing, while I've got you, is they have a lot of different services that they also offer for really great prices. And I've had a lot of great feedback about the experience with Scott Leroy Marketing. So if you are one of the agents that would benefit from potentially some social media, blogging, Facebook ads, that type of stuff being done for you, they have some great packages as low as even $25 a month, where you can have 5 to 7 posts per week done on social media platforms. If that's not your cup of tea and you're looking for something different, like your database just to be kept up, or 2 personal marketing pieces, custom marketing pieces done, you could do the basic package. So here's what I'm going to recommend. If this intrigues you or this would benefit you, go check out Scott Leroy Marketing. Reach out to them. They're great. They're a great company, and they can kind of build you a custom package based on what your needs are. I hope you found this valuable. And remember, next time you're going to do an open house, or you have someone doing an open house for you, go to the MLS and make that change, as well as Scott Leroy Marketing support. Once you click on support, you're going to click on KWLS Open House, fill in the information, and they'll take it from there. While you're here, check out all the other things that they could be doing for you. We've invested in Scott Leroy because we believe in you, and we know that if you use the tools, you make a lot of money with us. So please dive in. If you have any questions, reach out.